1. Unveiling ChatGPT's potential. 2. Selecting a video concept. 3. Script writing assistance. 4. Enhancing video SEO. 5. Creating compelling thumbnails and titles. 6. Engaging with your audience. 7. The human touch. Before we get started, let's talk about what ChatGPT is. It's an advanced AI language model that can understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts it receives. Main tool for generating content. 2. Selecting a video concept. Nailing down your concept. Whether it's a tutorial, a vlog, a comedy skit, or even a science explainer, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas. 1. Provide a brief description. Start by providing a brief description of your niche or topic. 2. Generate innovative concepts. Let ChatGPT generate unique and innovative concepts to spark your creativity. Let's take an example. Generating YouTube channel name and description. Go to Google Chrome and open ChatGPT. Type suggest some unique YouTube channel name. I think these names are a little tough. Let's search for some simple names. ChillTube is good name. Now we will write description for ChillTube. Script writing assistance. Creating a compelling script. This is where ChatGPT truly shines. 1. Outline your video. Use ChatGPT to outline the flow of your video, organizing your ideas. 2. Generate engaging dialogue. Craft engaging dialogue and scenes with the help of ChatGPT. 3. Refine your storytelling. Refine your storytelling by incorporating suggestions from ChatGPT. Let's take an example. Enhancing video SEO. Optimizing for search engines. ChatGPT can help you with that too. 1. Identify relevant keywords. Discover relevant keywords and phrases to improve your video's SEO. 2. Boost ranking. Implement the keywords to boost your video's ranking in search results. Creating compelling thumbnails and titles. 1. Generate catchy titles. Use ChatGPT to generate catchy, click-worthy titles. 2. Describe thumbnail scenes. Use Canva to craft scene descriptions for your thumbnails to enhance their appeal. Engaging with your audience. Fostering audience engagement. 1. Craft engaging responses. ChatGPT can help you craft engaging responses to comments. 2. Build community. Foster a sense of community by interacting with your audience using AI-assisted responses. The human touch. 1. Balance AI assistance. Find the balance between AI assistance and your authentic self. 2. Inject personality. Infuse your personality and creativity into your videos to stand out. And there you have it, folks. The complete process of creating YouTube videos using ChatGPT. From brainstorming concepts, scripting, SEO optimization, to audience engagement and your personal touch, this AI companion is a game changer. So, if you're looking to take your content to the next level, why not give ChatGPT a try? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our creative adventures. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating.